Here we're seeing the radio frequency interference that I'm receiving from some newly installed deck lights that my neighbor has. And these are low voltage lights around their deck. I think there's between 4 and 6 of them. And this is the interference that I'm receiving on the 2-meter band. This is a VHF UHF radio, a transceiver in receive mode right now. And we're looking at the 2-meter band. I'm just going to change frequency here so you can see that the S meter right down here is pretty consistent in its indication that there's something there, and it's broadband noise. Let me change frequency up to the 70 centimeter band, and that's up about 400 megahertz, and you can see there's no noticeable interference there. But back down to 2 meters, and you can see just how nasty that is. No modulation, just all broadband noise. Now we're going to look at an ICOM 9700 and see that's a VHF UHF all mode radio. And let's just take a look at that guy. And here we're looking at the front display on this radio, and you can see here this radio has a little more complex of a radio with the built-in spectrum scope. And right now we're looking at a slice of the 2-meter band from 144 megahertz, as you can see down here on the left, to 144.5. So it's a 500 kilohertz slice of the 2-meter band. And you can see the noise level here on the S meter pretty high. We're at least 5 dB over S9 in terms of that level of noise. And you can also see just how busy that spectrum scope is across the entire slice. Just nothing but broadband noise. So in a few minutes, I'll be back, and these deck lights are on a timer, and they will be shutting off. Okay, back again, and the deck lights have shut off, have timed out. So here we are looking at the ICOM VHF UHF transceiver again. You can see no interference, no noise, nothing. Just a couple hours later here. And now to the ICOM 9700. And you can see a marked difference.